Yeah, this is more than a game. Big man there, brown fortune my name. More brothers saying to get a portion of fame. I came, I'm a lyric heli more than my game. And again, they never take walk in my lane. Foresight done, who's scoring the game? See the girl, yeah, she was calling my name. I'm that chain gang done, that be caught in your day. To make a guy draw for the chain. Second, you don't wanna buy four to the brain. So say I'ma spray more than your chain. So get made, I'ma split your porcelain frame. Get your shit poured in the drain. The more that I take first, the more that I gain. So if a guy ever try causing us pain, let us spill till the guy's got no more in his vein.
You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get scarred. Come on a straight heat with a flow like lava. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get par. Pay you down on the track and get blessed like Farrda.
This is more than a game. Big man there, brown fortune my name. More brothers saying to get a portion of fame. I came, I'm a lyric heli more than my game. And again, they never try walk in my lane. Foresight done, who's scoring the game? See the girl, yeah, she was calling my name. I'm that chain gang done, that be caught in your day. To make a guy draw for the chain. Second, you don't wanna buy four to the brain. So say I'ma spray more than your chain. So get made, I'ma split your porcelain frame. Get your shit poured in the drain. The more that I take first, the more that I gain. So if a guy ever try causing us pain, let us spill till the guy's got no more in his vein.
You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get scarred. Come on a straight heat with a flow like lava. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get par. Pay you down on the track and get blessed like Farrda. I'm something like a marksman, I got an eye for the target. And my aim is to strike it the hardest. With one plan to leave my mark on the game, then disappear like I was that guy from the TARDIS. But till then I come and roll with the spit till the floor's getting hit with the force of a Sith. Man sick when I'm up in the mix, I drop shit to lick off your head like you took a draw off a split. When I hype up a jam, it's like sleight of hand. I light up the scythe, grab the grinds and scram. Head back to the big smoke to scribble more quotes in a pad. The lounge and kick back with my fam. Man, I gotta be blowing up, my youth growing up. Yeah, I'm stacking above P, but no, it's not enough. I'm on the grind every night in the twilight, working on tracks with my sights locked right on the highlight. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get scarred. Come on a straight heat with a flow like lava. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get par. Pay you down on the track and get blessed like. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get scarred. Come on a straight heat with a flow like lava. You get broke if you flex on a margo. Heavyweight star, put a dent in your armor. We can go bar for bar, you get par. Pay you down on the track and get blessed like Farrda.
This is more than a game.